Hi friends, so today I'm going to share the second realization which I had in my investing journey starting since 2009. The first realization, if you haven't got a chance to watch it, please have a look at it. I've even given a few tips how you can meet that particular lesson learned. The lesson was learned for me and it has helped me significantly to control my expenses. That was my first realization. So now that I've controlled my expenses, I had this significant cash which I could now invest into different avenues of investment. Now these avenues of investment was causing me a slight confusion. I had FDs which are guaranteed and safe, and then you have rental properties which had a lot of buzz that time, and then we had investment in stocks which were not much in focus in 2009. A lot of people were scared into investment in stocks at that moment of time, and even previously not a lot of people were focused on stock investment. So now I was in a dilemma: which investment avenue should I opt for? I started with fixed deposit, and then as I started with fixed deposits, I realized that whatever interest I'm getting on the fixed deposit, I am paying tax on that. Whatever tax bracket you may be on, like 10, 20 or 30, you're finally paying tax. And then every year the inflation also is going to eat into your interest. Then what's the point of putting in fixed deposits? Well, fixed deposits, I'm not saying it's bad. However, you need to use this fixed deposit in a way which helps you. Like for short-term needs, I agree fixed deposits is the avenue which you need to put money into. But for your long-term needs, fixed deposits will make you poorer in fact. Then the next option came is rental property, and along with rental property also came the option of gold and also the investment in stocks. Now rental property and investment in stocks were my preferred avenues. The reason is because whatever capital you invest into rental property as well as stocks, the capital which you invest, that will give you inflation beating returns any case, but over and above it's also going to give you dividend or rental income as well. Isn't that wonderful? So what is my second realization? You may be thinking investment in stocks is my second realization. Well, investment in stocks is actually my third realization, but my second realization is to at least invest in those avenues which will give you inflation beating returns. However, when you buy property or gold, you need to decide what is the time, at what point of time you need to put your money into there. And the same thing applies for even stocks. Realization is invest into avenues which give you inflation beating return. So many people say pay yourself first. I would say pay yourself in inflation beating return. A slight tweak in that statement. So this is my second realization, and my third realization already is known to you, that my investment in stocks was my third realization because of the amount of percentage returns it gave over a long period of time. Even better than gold, even better than rental property. So well, there should be a proper balance as well between gold, rental property as well as stock. I would suggest all three avenues of investment. However, if you want to start with, let's start with investment in stocks, which is the best yielding return.
So please subscribe.